Hey precious family, Adishema, greetings. Thank God for another day. Today we're making shitor using chicken powder. Thank you. A friend of mine requested for shitor, but she don't eat fish, so I decided to use the chicken for her. So this is just a little bit that I have here anise seeds, coriander seeds, cloves. I have grains of saline. I have Calabash nutmeg and tarragon, ginger. I'm not using fresh, garlic and white pepper, and my red chili pepper, and 3 medium size of onions, just a little bit. And baby sudia yan shiton getting pepper and I one of friend yeah and a garlic no. Yes. Okay. All my tiny spices goes in here. Okay. Then that's the onion and the pepper. I'm not adding oil to it, I'm just blending it. Okay, it's not that hot. This is 10 tomatoes. Okay. So you pamper your shitor till all the moisture is gone. They say it should be a nim, come on, see, very dry. Now I'm adding the spices here. Yep. Everything is in here. Then my ginger, because I didn't use the fresh one. So it's there. Powdered one. Okay, let me lower mine. So then the blended spices may blend in. The shigo. Hey, I have one papa. Spices there. Okay, change it. Make any crash. See the spices. See the aroma. Oh my. Yay! That's not be what now I'm adding 1 teaspoon curry powder. I'm turning the curry crunch to our body. Yeah, I'm making. Okay. Now, as I said earlier, I'm using chicken powder. No fish in here. Perfecto. I tasted for salt because I add salt with the chicken.